Eto, ang pinaka-controversial na iba-iba ang sagot. There's no right or wrong. Kung ako, meron ako isang close best friend. Meron din ako kaaway. Tapos naging super close sila. Maiinis ba ako na close sila? Or dapat intindihin ko na wala naman silang rift?
For me, feel ko magkaka-wall. Unless they've been friends for so long.
Kahit na. Ala, galit. You are so self-made. Ang galing. From yung humble beginning to now, na more on fashion ka ngayon, no? And luxury.
Fashion, yeah.
Who introduced you to luxury?
Si Mom, siya yung fashion icon namin ni ate. Of course!
Si Bella, parang nagulat na lang ako, may boyfriend na lang bigla. Oo, kasi ko, ay, uy! May boyfriend na siya! You're in the right age naman na. Tsaka di mo mapipigilan ang puso. So, na-broken-hearted ka na.
Oo naman, I think that's pretty normal.
Sorry! Nagtatanong lang naman! Para maiba naman, dapat meron tayong palaro dito eh. Yung pa-Jenga tayo, ganito kalaki. Masaya dito kapag nag-Jenga ka, tapos mga juicy questions. Yung guest natin, parang natatakot ako intrigahin. Parang baby girl ko yan, ever since. Pero miss ko na siya kasi sobrang tagal namin hindi nagkita. Last ata was 2 years ago, ganun. I think si Bella was 1 year ahead of me sa industry. So alam niya na yung mga galawan dito. And I feel like medyo umay na rin siya sa mga negativities. And parang never ko naman siya nakitaan ng negativities online. That's why we're gonna confirm kung siya ba talaga ay unbothered sa mga bagay-bagay. Yay! Oh my God! Nakalimutan ko kayo i-welcome to another episode of Potluck Saturday!
Ben, ulit daw din na record.
Ano ba yan? Ang naisip ko na ihanda sa kanya, salmon. Simplihan lang. And I'm thinking of gin and tonic or ube cream liquor that I've never tried before. Look. Oh! Ayun. Ganda ng packaging. In fairness sa packaging, may anting-anting. Ay, ang bango. Mag-aaral na talaga ako ng bartending kasi na-enjoy ko yung pag-feeling. Yung medyo aligaga ako, kunyari. 11 years on YouTube, di ba? Parang feeling natin, kilalang-kilala natin siya. Siya yung face na marirecognize mo, pero hindi mo sure kung kilala mo on a deeper level. Kasi syempre gusto mo mas makilala siya beyond what you see on social media. And that's what we're trying to do today. Moderately, of course.
Wow! Pag yan, di masarap ha.
Dinaan na lang sa performance.
Ano nasisimulan?
Wait lang, may kukunin. Kilingin nyo naman. Oh, di ba? Parang masarap, di ba? Ginger ale with gin. It's giving very summer vibes. Sobrang refreshing tignan, di ba? Tapos may mga activities dito. So excited to do this. So, hey! Grabe naman ang... Sinisira mo ba yung doorbell namin? Ha? Ay! Hello! Kamusta ka naman? Long time no see. Ay,
brought
parang...
pizza.
Wow! Thank you so much! I love that. Bakit pizza yung dala mo?
Favorite ko yan recently. Pag like comfort food ko or pag late night snack.
Wow! Kailan yung last time natin nagkita?
Oh my God, parang 3 years ago.
Tagal na. That was my birthday. You're such an adult now.
Parang may drinks na dito.
Ay, oo nga eh. How has your life been lately?
I just recently moved here, Manila. So,
Wow, independent
super easy
living.
na to.
Ang saya naman nun. Hindi mo nami-miss yung parents mo.
Oo naman ako pag may occasion.
Nami-miss ka ba nila?
Yeah, pumunta sila sa
Sure
akin.
ka, nami-miss ka nila. And since you just appeared here in our episode of Potluck Saturdays, we're gonna welcome you with a welcome shot approved by your manager.
Oh my God, parang first time to makikita ng viewers.
Talaga? Pero na-try mo na?
Oo naman.
Oo naman. Hello, 20 ano na ako eh.
Parang yun yung lagi question sa akin. Kasi
Talaga?
I'm always seen as a baby sa industry.
That's nice. Pag-usapan natin yan later. Kasi even ako, meron akong perception about you na for sure, iba ka naman off-cam talaga. First, parang mas na-excite siya. Kaya mo ba to?
Kaya.
Tita, tito. Cheers.
Ubus pa dapat.
Ano yun, Bella?
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh! Sarap!
Sarap. Yum.
Parang, I think it's time na kainin na natin yung mga dinala mo. At syempre, pag-usapan natin yung mga nangyayari sa life mo lately. First time kitang ma-meet, Creator Camp.
When was this? Anong year?
2019.
2019.
2019. Bago pa ako noon.
2019 ka nag-start?
2018. Tapos yung Creator Camp was the next year. Sabi ko, uy, ganda naman ng bata na to. Tapos, apaka-classy mag-vlog. Ganito siya mag-vlog, oh. Yung G7X niya.
Ang dami niyo nagsasabi ng gano'n.
Samantala ako, pakahirap ako mag... Siya, chill lang siya.
Kasi growing up talaga, super shy ko. Kaya nung nag-start ako mag-YouTube, nagulat pa si na mom. Na like, nagsasalita pala to.
Ay, totoo ka pala.
Dati, mahilig ako sa international YouTubers.
Yeah.
Kasi dati wala naman here masyado eh.
Yes,
local.
yes.
So like, sila nag-inspire sa akin to start.
Kasabay mo sila Will Dasovich.
I think earlier siya. I'm not sure. Pero like, yun, sina Will,
Sila
Janina.
Lloyd.
Parang mas OG si Lloyd.
Sila
I'm
Michelle.
not sure. Yeah, Michelle D.
Sino nag-encourage sa'yo?
Ako lang.
Ikaw lang?
Kasi parang before That's Bella, I had the channel with my elementary friends. Parang for fun lang. Tapos parang gusto ko siya seryosohin. So I made my own channel.
Hindi ba awkward na introvert ka as a person, tapos camera?
Yeah. Parang naging outlet ko yung vlogging pagdating sa expressing myself.
Hindi ka ba nakaka-express? Kinukulong ka ba sa bahay?
Hindi naman, pero like naturally, tahimik ako. Like kunyari nasa dining table kami, ako yung pinaka hindi nagsasalita. Like I'm a listener.
Yeah.
Ganyan. So like whenever may viewers ako na I meet, parang nagulat sila, super shy. And
I think over the years, they got to know you na ganun ka na, di ba? Kasi you're very open about talking about
Yeah.
yung shyness mo.
yeah, pero before kasi parang That's Bella era, sobrang bubbly ako, sobrang
Yes.
energetic. As compared to now na parang
Mas
mellow
calm.
down, mas calm
Mas
na.
calm na.
Mas me.
I think try na natin yung mga food na dala natin. Kasi masarap yan pag mainit. Anong flavor? Ito.
Blue cheese yan.
Ba't yellow yung blue cheese? Harap.
Walang hot honey. Masarap yung hot honey na lang.
Spicy. Ito na lang.
Mahilig ka ba sa spicy?
Yeah! Everything spicy. Ikaw ba?
Yeah. Hint lang. Nag-ano ka ba before? Spicy noodle challenge ka?
Oo, nag-spicy noodle challenge. Hindi ako makahinga dati. Na-try mo ba? Parang mag-isa.
Parang may kasama ako dati.
Pero alam mo, sobrang bilib ako sa'yo kasi mga content mo mag-isa ka eh. Nagre-review ka ng mga makeup, yung mga personal life happenings mo. Hindi ko kaya yun. Sa akin parang gusto ko lagi kasama yung friends ko, kasama yung
Yeah.
kapatid.
Kasi some of my friends, shy sila sa vlog. Tapos minsan, sinasama ko brother ko or sister ko, siya yung crowd favorite. Kaya ngayon, nag-content creation na rin siya.
Nakakatuwa naman because content creation really changes people's lives. Iniwala talaga ako na kung gusto mo siya, kung ka mahiya. Kasi yung hiya, yun yung nag-hinder sa'yo na to pick up the camera and shoot. Kasi once naman yung footage na yun, pag in-edit mo, ma-enjoy ka na eh. Ngayon, ikaw pa rin, one-man team.
Yeah, pero gusto ko na rin magka-team.
Umagawan yung team ko. Nakita ko, nagbigay ka ng calling card eh. Bawin mo yun.
Pero minsan naman, like kunyari events, kumuha ng videographer. Pero sa vlogs ko, like ako pa rin.
You are so
Shoot,
self-made.
edit.
Ang galing. From yung humble beginning to now, na more on fashion ka ngayon, no? And
Lifestyle,
luxury.
fashion, yeah.
Who introduced you to luxury?
Si mom, siya yung fashion icon namin ni ate. How about you? Saan ka?
Naku, ang hirap na question din yan, no? I would say lifestyle. Pero kasi, for vloggers, hindi naman dapat kina-categorize.
Yeah.
For me, dapat kung sino ka, yun ka na.
Yeah.
Oo.
And it's also
Yun
good
eh.
to explore different kinds of content.
Yeah, that's true.
Kasi nakaka-burnout then if you focus on one
Oo.
thing.
Alam mo, ang hirap to work with luxury brands. Kailangan talaga ma-prove mo yung sarili mo. And galing napasok mo yung
Yeah, super.
fashion industry.
It was just a dream before
Yeah.
na hindi ko inakala na I would attend
You
such
still
events.
enjoy it?
I still do. Pero parang minsan like may imposter syndrome na parang why am I here?
More about it. Ala, si more. Bakit?
Usually, puro celebrities. Yun nandun. There was this event na parang ako lang yung KOL. So like,
KOL means content creator, influencer,
content
key opinion
creator.
leader.
So I felt like, am I really supposed to be here? Parang it took me some time to embrace it na.
Ngayon, hindi mo na nafe-feel.
So far, hindi pa ulit. Pero like, there was a time na like,
Pero gets ko yan. I think one factor din kasi, mababa yung tingin nila sa social media personalities.
yeah.
So I think it's somewhat contributor sa self-esteem ng mga content creators in the Philippines, especially in the events na present yung mga big celebrities. To be honest, in the Philippines, hindi ganun ka-supportive yung mga tao unless
You're a
successful ka na.
Yeah.
Hindi naman generalizing. Kumbaga, parang mas madami yung nangihila versus encouraging.
Supporting.
Oo. Hindi lang pala siya social anxiety, but there's also that exact feeling that you said kanina.
But I'm just grateful na like, they're all kind naman during those events. Like, yung mga ibang celebrities. Yeah,
Actually, sila yung mga pinakamabait.
Yeah,
Oo,
super
kung,
bait.
kung sino yung nai-intimidate ka, sila pa yung super
Yeah.
nag-reach out. Pero at least, alam mo na ito yung route that you wanna take.
Yeah. But I also want to focus more on lifestyle.
TV.
No.
But why don't you wanna try? Or you just really don't like it?
Ewan ko, it's just a different world.
Any dream?
Any dream? I've already done one TVC, pero gusto ko more TVCs.
Wow! Anong
Yeah.
TVC yan?
Cream Silk.
Wow!
Yeah.
Cream silk
Cream
na
silk.
siya! Wow! Uy, congratulations!
Thank you. Super fun to shoot TVCs. Lalo na I never saw myself on TV. Dream brands to work
Dream
with.
brands? Calvin Klein, Adidas.
Sports.
As
wear.
endorser. I think gusto ko din maka-work with luxury. Ah, Cartier pala! Sorry, ang
Gusto ko yung
taas.
passionate.
I really love Cartier. Tiffany ka, di ba?
Sometimes, I get to work with them.
Yeah, yeah.
But like, I also love Cartier.
Ang sarap ng salmon.
Nakailan na ako.
Kaya
Baka
nga
mamaya
eh.
maubos ko to. Here.
Vlogger style.
Yung background music.
Tanda mo nung nag-Thailand tayo,
Oh my God, yeah. Actually,
nag-rant siya sa amin ng kanyang ng mga hinanakit sa buhay. Tapos kami ni Ray. Parang
Parang
kuya ate, parang
Ray.
triggered. Parang, sige, ano?
Kaya talaga yung mga kuya and ates ko sa industry. Kasi like ever since, parang ako yung baby.
Hanggang ngayon nga eh. Parang hindi ako sanay na nababardagol kita. At a young age, you were earning already. How does it?
Actually, hindi
How does it? Tapos nagets mo naman.
I got you.
How does it?
Parang hindi ko siya agad naramdaman that time. I know na I was earning money, pero I let my mom handle it. Hindi ko siya super nagagastos. Actually, nagastos ko na lang siya late high school, I think. So parang nakaipon ako.
Ngayon, ano na yung mga madalas mo na pinagagastosan?
Investments, like house, land, and yun lang so far.
Ay, hindi naman ako niyan. That's a wise
Yun lang
investment.
so far. Insurance, ganun. So mag-cheers.
Cheers. Nag-focus ako sa kain.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ay, hindi ko natanong sa'yo dati. Nagulat na lang ako. Naging Bella Racelis ka na. Kasi that's Bella.
Yeah. When I started, gusto ko talaga real name ko. Pero that time kasi hindi alam ni na mom and dad na I was starting a channel. So gusto ko maging mysterious or like anonymous.
Oh my God, wow!
Eh parang before kasi medyo strict. Like ayaw ni dad na may social media kami, ganyan. So I kept it as a secret.
Yeah.
Tapos nahuli na lang ako ng ate ko.
Sinumbong ako ng
Sinumbong niya
ate
ako.
Yung mga kapatid talaga kasi.
Pero thank you for making sumbong. Super supportive naman nila when they found out.
Even yung mom mo naging manager mo din ba siya for a time?
Yeah. Until now.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah.
Wow. Super hands-on. May mga friends ka na madalas mo nakakasama na in the same industry?
Yes. Aliana Donina. Tony Sia.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Ah, nag-guess ko rin si Tony
Ashley.
dito.
Oh yeah, I saw. Of course I watched.
Ah, salamat.
Will Dasovich. He's my neighbor. Bakit?
Kinabahan ako. Akala ko sabi mo, he's my ninong. Akala ko ninong mo siya.
Na super close kami. As in, kuya figure ko din siya.
Until now.
Yeah.
So, it's important talaga kasi na yung mga friends mo, safe yung feeling mo sa kanila. I feel safe when I can be myself. Pag comfortable ka gawin kahit ano, na you don't feel like you're walking on eggshells. May ganung friendship eh.
Lalo na sa industry na to, parang sa tagal ko na dito, I stay with the same people.
Oo nga eh.
Parang I'm not being judged. Or like, we just support each other.
Takot ka pa ba ma-judge?
Oo naman. Super open kasi natin to like, haters,
Scrutiny. Yeah.
judgment.
Yeah. Meron akong naging friends before na parang jowa magtampo.
Ay, mahirap yan. Parang ayaw niya na may iba kong friends. Parang
Gets.
ganun.
Ginagatekeep ka niya.
Parang Why?
Hindi kasi ang hirap nung nakasama mo yung ibang friends or bakit hindi mo siya sinama sa ganito. So, every galaw mo, restrained ka. So, walang that sense of maturity na we each have our own lives.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Nagkaroon ka na
Cheers
ng...
pala.
Cheers agad!
Yeah.
Cheers!
Yum.
Yan. Nagkaroon ka na ng friends na hindi genuine.
I would say na genuine naman kami during the friendship. Siguro it changes in the middle. When na-notice nyo na yung differences nyo,
Yeah.
doon na nagiging medyo hindi na kayo aligned. Ang hirap pag hindi na nagiging genuine yung friendship, lalo na if you're trying to protect it.
Yung toxic trait ko when it comes to friendships, parang I trust too much.
Eto, ang pinaka-controversial na iba-iba ang sagot. There's no right or wrong. Kung ako, meron ako isang close best friend. Meron din akong kaaway. Tapos naging super close sila. Maiinis ba ako na close sila? Or dapat intindihin ko na wala naman silang rift?
For me, feel ko magkaka-wall. Unless they've been friends for so long.
Kahit na. Ala, galit.
Unless!
Nagtatanong, pero
ayun
siya
for
nag-react.
me. Pero like, if ngayon pa lang kayo magiging friends, tapos nakwento ko na lahat sa'yo ng mga ginagawa niya sa akin, ganyan, parang I would feel off. Kasi ako, myself, I wouldn't do that to you. Ano ba yung take ng iba? Like, it's okay
Yung
for
take
them.
kasi ng iba is, as long as walang ginagawa sa akin, hindi ko kailangang iwasan. Ang take ko naman dyan is, paano ako magiging comfortable? Paano ako magiging 100% sa'yo?
sa'yo.
Kung
Yeah.
sobrang close mo din yung kaaway ko, ibig sabihin, dapat may itira ako sa
Yeah.
friendship natin. Pag di mo binigay yung 100%, bakit ka pa nakipagrelasyon? Querida, kabit. Ay, so, important nga sa atin na kung sino yung close sa atin. Hala, di ko rin alam kasi kung tama. Comment below. Ito naman ang itry natin. Anong flavor?
Spinach and artichoke.
Artichoke? Ano yung artichoke? Isda ba yun?
Hindi.
Ano ba yung
Anchovy yun eh.
Anchovy ba yun? Ano yung artichoke? Vegetable?
Gulay.
Artichoke. Kangkong na lang sa... Ay, sarap din ah. Ilan taon ka nung nag-start ka ulit?
13.
Oh my God, 13.
I know.
Naapektuhan ka ng hate comments nun?
Parang medyo unbothered pa ako
Ay,
that
dali nung
time.
13 years old unbothered. I love that.
Parang
Actually.
ano pa ako, like automatic delete or block.
Yeah. So ngayon affected ka?
There was a time, siguro. Kasi we're just human. Parang hindi tayo robot, na parang hindi tayo maapektuhan. What's your, like, nakaka-hurt?
Yung hate comment na nilagay sa post ng friends ko.
Huh?
Na parang layuan nyo na si Ben kasi baliw yan. Dahil may mental health issue siya. Parang pa-heal na ako noon. And then I realized na, oh my God, this is really how the Philippines see people na may depression.
Yeah.
Ganun. So, yun. Pero ngayon hindi na. Kasi kung gaano ka ka-hateful online, it says a lot about the person. More than dun sa sinasabihan mo. Kasi may satisfaction siyang nakukuha doon eh.
Do you reply to the hate comments? No?
Siyempre, hindi.
Pero there was a time na nag-reply ka na.
I think,
Never.
oo, nung pandemic, yan, medyo mapatol pa ako. Yan, may Twitter pa ako. And then, na-stress ako.
Gets.
Parang, after mo mag-reply, aabangan mo. Sige, ano mo sabihin mo? Pero ngayon, the art of silence is so
You have
peaceful.
to protect your energy talaga.
Oo. Alam mo
Put it
ba?
somewhere else more positive.
Yes. Mas naiinis sila pag di mo napapansin eh.
True.
So, kahit mabasa ko yan, hindi kita mapapansin.
True.
It's not worth it.
yeah.
Diba? Pag nakita ba ni 13-year-old Bella yung ngayon, masyashock ba siya?
Super.
In a good way, bad way?
In a good way.
In a good way.
That time kasi yung idol ko si Bethany Mota. Tapos I met her once.
Oh.
Nung nagpa-meet and greet siya here sa Resorts World. I didn't even think about achieving the things she did.
Yung sa akin naman na version, si Motoki Maxted. I was super idolizing him when it comes to content creation. Doon ko nakita yung reality na, oh my God, that they get tired. When I was super watching all of his content, walang concept of burnout eh. Kasi saya-saya.
Yeah.
And I was starting back then. Tapos nung naranasan ko na yung naranasan niya, na-gets ko na ba't di siya bumalik.
Yeah, ganun din si Bethany Mota.
Di na siya bumalik
As in,
din.
Di na siya bumalik.
Baka traffic.
Yun yung thing about us. Parang our mind doesn't really switch off.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Parang everything you have to document.
Yeah.
ganyan. Parang I just had to unlearn it. Kasi like some moments are meant to be lived
Exactly.
and not to be documented. I get to save some moments for myself.
Yes. I think yun din yung coping mechanism ko. Ngayon naman, ang solution ko dyan is to put out the things that I want them to see. I am active now, but they still do not see the private life. Private? Benjamin. The private life, diba? Kasi kaya mo yun eh. You can post as often as you can. You can post every single day na kumakain ka lang and they still do not
Don't
know about you.
Yeah,
And you still love it.
true.
Diba? Cheers! I'm so glad that the future is still bright. Madami pang pwedeng ma-achieve. Kasi hindi ka ba napapanghinaan ng loob minsan?
Sometimes I don't really know what to put out anymore. Parang everything feels so repetitive.
Yeah.
Tapos I don't know how to change it or tweak it.
Yeah.
Na parang it would be unique to the audience. Something they have never seen before.
Yeah,
Parang
that's
ganun.
very valid. Diyan din nag-uumpisa yung napapressure yung tao mag-rebrand. There was one point of my life na tinatry ko yung best ko na magkaroon ako ng niche. Parang I constantly want to change myself because knowing na people have been watching me for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, baka umay na sila sa akin.
Ang hirap to reinvent yourself. Kailangan na kapag ang tagal mo na sa industry.
Na-reinvent mo sarili mo before? Or the pressure, do you feel it?
Kind of, yeah. Because they always look for what's next for you. Eh kung ako nga, I don't even know what's next for me. Parang it adds on sa
Tama.
pressure.
Kasi nga, vlogging naman talaga is documenting your daily
Your
life.
life.
So parang you don't really lay it out kung ano yung next na mangyayari sa buhay mo because it's not happening yet.
Yeah.
May mga inspiration, may mga pegs,
Yeah.
pero hindi mo siya pwedeng i-force sa sarili mo.
It needs to come naturally.
Na-outgrow mo na yung sarili mo na yun, na ina-expect nila na makita sa'yo lagi.
Yeah.
Tapos parang feeling ko dapat prim and proper ka lagi sa mata ng tao.
Well, not
But you
really.
are naman. You are
I
naman.
am, pero like, may mga tao na may access sa premium personality.
Ah!
Parang ganun.
Taray, may access card. Sana may membership.
Nga po.
Pa-access ka ba?
Yung friends ko, yung nakakakita ng ganong kong side. Or like my siblings.
Anong side yun? Gusto ko malaman.
You'll find out.
Once you subscribe. You know what? One thing na i-comment ko sa'yo, I've never seen you sad. Kasi syempre, sa social media naman lang tayo
Yeah,
nakakapag
and lagi tayo
keep
sa
in touch.
events.
Or go through something very difficult. But you carried it so well. Nobody ever thought na may pinagdaanan ka before. Kain
Inom
na
lang
siya ng
ako
kain eh. Go. Cheers!
Cheers!
Once you reach yung peak mo, you would think of something else that would make you sustain your life. Did you ever think of putting up a business? Sabi nila yun yung trajectory ng isang content creator.
Yeah, that's true. That's why I also invested. Yun din sabi ni na dad.
Property to, you're talking
Yes,
about.
property. But like, sa cafe.
Talaga?
That's the dream ako.
Talaga? Magka-coffee shop?
Yeah. Kasi
Gawin mo na yan! Alam, ako pa nag-pressure. Sabi,
Gagawin-
nanay ko nga, di ako pinipressure.
Pero yes, nasa plan.
Wow! Uy, pagka ganyan, i-invite mo naman ako
Of
doon.
course!
Si Bella, parang, nagulat na lang ako, may boyfriend na lang bigla. Oh, kasi ko, ay, uy! May boyfriend na siya! You're in the right age naman na. Tsaka di mo mapipigilan ang puso. So, na-broken-hearted ka na.
Oo naman, I think that's pretty normal.
Sorry! Nagtatanong lang naman!
Ikaw na-experience mo na.
Oo naman. Paano ka ba mag-love?
I love fully. Yeah.
Sige nga, describe yourself as a lover. Kasi we've seen you grow, we've seen you work hard, but I haven't seen that part of you that's vulnerable.
I give my 100%. Parang pang seryosong relationship levels.
Date to marry, yun.
Yeah, date to marry. And like super may effort as well.
What disappoints you the most?
Pag hindi siya ready to commit. Or like hindi seryoso. Or like...
So, hindi mo kaya yung let's figure it out together.
No, kasi yung iba parang they enter a relationship for fun lang. I'm not up for that.
Oh, wag
Parang
na
it's
yun,
just a
ganun.
waste of time for me.
Totoo naman, waste of time, waste of feeling, and waste of everything. I feel like you are very comfortable talking about this, but me, as someone who's biased, mas may relationship as a friend sa'yo, mas na-awkward ako tanungin yun. Kasi nga,
Really? Why?
it's just, I feel like we haven't had that kind of
Conversation.
ever since. But it's nice that we're talking about it.
Yeah. How about you? How are you as a lover?
Lakas nung lolok. I give 110.
Hindi ka nagtitira for yourself.
Hindi. Kasi parang sa akin, if you are capable to love, why hold back?
Yeah,
I think
that's
pretty
true.
similar naman din. Pero, yun nga, you gotta invest in the right person.
Yeah.
You think you have invested in the right people. May thought ka ba? Wala naman. Pero ngayon, happy.
Happy!
Ah, taas! Very confident! Happy, bakit?
Wala, super happy. Like, super healthy lang ng relationship. And like, no problems at all.
Kasi?
Parang reoccurring. We vibe.
Wow, saan mo nakilala to, ha?
Through a friend.
Oh, nakakatuwa naman. Deserve mo naman yan. If this is the end of the world, I wanna be remembered as someone who make things happen, I guess. How do you wanna be remembered?
As someone who dreams big.
Biggest dream you've achieved?
Traveling for work. Parang before, mga international YouTubers, parang you would see yung mga PR trips and all that.
Yeah.
Parang, wow, parang sana someday I would experience the same.
I'm so glad also I was able to work with Ocean Park.
Yeah.
I got to bring my son
Aww.
to Hong Kong for work. Family time na rin.
Yeah.
Ganon. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ang dami nating versions ng buhay
Yeah.
natin eh. Anong pinaka-favorite mo?
Siguro now. Kasi, actually, dream ko mag-move out, like live alone. Pero never ko in-imagine na mangyayari siya. Kasi
Ako din, na
kasi
pinayagan ka.
Yeah, yun nga, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi nga, super like conservative ng parents ko. I kept on opening it up to them. Si mom, medyo naintindihan niya kasi nga, she's my manager. So like, naintindihan niya na work. Tapos si dad, medyo like, mas practical kasi siya. Like, pag you live alone, yung electricity, yung pagkain mo, manggagastos ka. Tapos pag dito ka sa Lipa, libre lahat. Which I get, like, super gets. Kasi
Yeah.
now parang ang gastos to
Ngayon
live
gets ko na.
alone.
Nung college ba, hindi ka nag-live alone?
Nag-live alone din, but not
as serious.
Yeah, as this one.
Yeah.
Tapos parang sabi ni dad, ganyan talaga, Bella in Manila.
Inaasar ka ba?
Oo, as in ganyan talaga, Bella in Manila.
And I'm proud of you.
Thank
Nagawa mo na
you.
siya. Finally, after
I know.
years of parinig sa parents.
I know.
Tita, maraming salamat. Tinupad niyo yung independent dreams niya.
Yeah, kasama ko siya mag-view ng condos.
Talaga?
Some, yeah. Tapos some, I'm alone lang.
I think ang ganda rin ng purpose natin as YouTubers because people actually see the reality na hindi perfect talaga.
Yeah.
There are times na masaya, there are times na hindi masaya, but at the end of the day, we are all humans. We make things happen and sometimes things do not work, ganyan.
Yeah.
And
Actually, I try to make it work to
Yeah.
stay in Lipa. But like, every time I'm there, I'm not working.
Yeah.
I'm not productive.
Comfort zone.
As in, comfort zone
Yeah.
siya. Like, whenever I'm there, super relaxing.
one last cheers.
Cheers!
Hindi na natin nagawa yung Jenga kasi ang dami na nating napag-usapan.
Oo nga eh.
Finally,
Nakapag-catch up na din tayo.
Yes, not just collab but actually catch up with
And
each
get
other.
to know each
and get to
other.
know each other. Sana mas maka-hangout pa kita. But keep doing what you're doing. I think a lot of people are seeing you as an inspiration.
Oh, thank
And
you.
that's really nice. Anong tawag ng mga
Bella fam.
Bella fam?
Bella fam.
I miss that era.
That's Bella amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for having me.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so
for
much
the
for being
Uva
here.
shots.
And
May sinave ako
actually,
for you.
Ang generous mo naman. Mag one last time. Kaya mo pa ba?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yay! Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Yay, may lalagyan ako sa base.
Wow. And of course, I want to preserve this day by taking a Polaroid picture. I had so much fun. Let's do this again next time. And that's it for another episode of Potluck Saturdays with
Belle.